Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 24 hours have been very important. When I mean important, Bitcoin was able to break the barrier at 98,000, which was very critical to ensure that the next leg of the bull run begins at the start of 2025. As we're getting closer and closer to the end of 2025, obviously Trump will be getting into the office, and that's definitely going to be having more inflow of cash actually into the crypto market. But one category that's actually helping Bitcoin rather than Bitcoin helping the category is actually meme coins. You know, today morning Dogecoin received insane amount of trading volume, crossing about 5.7 billion, and the price has broken out of the downtrend, which was required to break above 36 cents. So right now the meme coins are doing some crazy numbers, so this would be your perfect time to get into your favorite coin. And one I have been looking at is actually called Meme Index. Now you guys know indexes have been very good around the entire world. Even before crypto was a thing, index were helping a lot of people earn stable income, as you would be able to invest in a whole category rather than trying to pinpoint a single token. Well, the same thing is happening here. World's first decentralized meme coin index. There is going to be 4 indexes that will be released, and right now the token that will be actually running all this is on a pre-sale stage. As you can see, they have raised about $1.7 million. Initially, when I made a video about this token, it was a lot lower, so it's already gone up a lot. In my opinion, it's still very small. You can definitely get at least a 10x from here. By the way, this is no financial advice. At the end of the day, you still need to make your own decision. If you do decide to purchase it right now, you can actually go ahead and stake it away. And if you do decide to stake it, you get a return of 1,390% per annum. As the token is still in the beginning stage, you do receive a bigger return, but as more money is going to be invested, this percentage will obviously go down. So right now it would be early to get into. If you do decide to get into the Meme Titan Index, which is going to be the safest option, it's going to include the largest coins such as Dogecoin, Shiba, WIF, Popcat, Pepe, and all the large ones. But if you want more, you know, a little bit of a riskier index, you can go with Meme Moonshot, which will have a lower cap coins. Just to give you perspective, the highest APY, governance, and exclusive access. So market-wide exposure in a volatile world of meme coins, selecting a single token is hard. This one will allow you to actually go with your own style. And if there's 4 different indexes, you can go with the volatility. If you go with the one that's more volatile, there's more chance that you can end up losing more money. You will also get the community governance. So Memecoin allows all the holders to submit and vote for proposal related to the project, but also related to which coins should be added or removed from a particular index, so allowing for more seamless flow of overall idea. And at the same time, gains. The token allows you to participate in 4 diverse meme coin brackets ranging from low to ultra high volatility. 4 ways to play and governance. You will be able to make a decision in terms of what direction the token should be heading and what tokens should be included in which index. So the bigger you're holding, obviously the more share of say you will have. At the same time, the tokenomics are 15% is gone to pre-sale, 25% to staking, 20% to marketing, 20% to community, and 20% to treasury. If you do want to purchase this token, it's actually very simple. You can just go to the link in the description. It will take you to this website, and then you simply just need to go ahead and connect your wallet, whichever one you use, Best Wallet, Wallet Connect, or MetaMask. Once it's connected, you guys can just select how much Ethereum or USDT you would like to convert into Memex. Right now the price is sitting at about 1.4 cents, but obviously as time is going to go up, the price will increase. And at the same time, this is their plan in terms of what they want to do. Once the pre-sale comes to an end, the token will be released, the index goes live, and platform utility will be released. If you look at their overall idea of what's happening, while their audit was perfect, there was no problem, there's one acknowledged one which can be actually fixed quite easily. And on the other end, their Twitter has a decent following as well, close to 18,000, and you can see their initial post has close to 19,000 views. Even though the token is still in an early stage, it's definitely getting a lot of attention. And Telegram has about 2,000 members, so you can see that it's still very early into this project. If you do decide to jump in early, you can end up making a lot of money. Disclaimer, always do your own research. Nothing here is financial advice, as I just mentioned. So if you do want to purchase it, the link will be in the description. At the end of the day, I do think that this token has potential because what they are seeking to do has not been touched for meme coins before, and right now the way meme coins are performing, there's definitely a lot of room for growth. Other than that, thank you for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day ahead, and I'll see you soon.